Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Mon, your trusted real estate broker. For today's video, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Southmont, sa Silang Cavite. Ito yung new development of Ayala Land in Silang Cavite, yung Southmont. Titingnan natin yung Hillside Ridge and Verdea po, yung development ng residential development of Alveo Land in Southmont, Silang Cavite. Okay? Samahan niyo po ako. And this is the amenity area of Hillside Ridge, Southmont, here in Silang, Cavite. Yan yung swimming pool. And then, the basketball court dun sa baba. Here's the basketball court and the children's play area. Yan siya.
Na siguro hindi nabil ng Kataylan kasi itong portion na to. So anyway, so again, 24 hectare property for Verdea. It's a small community. So in terms of amenities, syempre yung usage, mas konti lang yung neighbors, mas konti yung utilities. So yun naman yung advantage. And we are just right across Lanewood Hills. So ito pong sa kabila, yung may mga espalto na road na yon, that's Lanewood na. In terms of elevation, mas mataas po tayo sa Lanewood. Kasi ang premier buyers, gusto nila nasa beach ng mountain. Gusto nila yung dramatic na pagpapakta ganun yung village nila. So ito, mas mahangin dito. I don't know, siguro kasi kanina sa hillside, nasa baba kasi. So ito kasi mas mataas kaysa sa clubhouse. So ito pa talaga yung maraming inventory natin na available. So 2 entry and exit for entrance. I think dito tayo nag-park. Tapos nandito na po yung main entrance. There's another entrance dito po sa kabilang side naman. Buksan pa po. Mukhang ito na to, miss. Ito. Yes. Opo. So tinira talaga. Iniwan yung malapit sa edit. So alam niyo na po kung bakit.
Yeah, mas
Kasi parang mas mahal.
Okay, if you are interested to invest a residential lot in Verdea and Hillside Ridge, Southmont in Silang, Cavite, just call me at my mobile number or nasa Viber din po or to my email address. Okay? Para ma-assist ko po kayo sa site po. Inform nyo lang po ako. Okay? Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Again, this is Mon, your trusted real estate broker. Maraming salamat.